Welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to bring you out today. As you can see, we've got snow. So this is like the first snow of the year. Oh, it's pretty cold actually. It's like -2 at the minute. Which, I mean, depending on where you're viewing, like what country you're viewing this from, that may seem like nothing, but here in the UK, that's actually pretty cold. And I mean, I had a look tomorrow morning, and it's going to be like -6, like -7. So I've got to ride to work. It's going to be fun. But yeah, I just brought it out today because it's like I just want to talk about like New Year's resolutions. Okay, like you get a lot of people, you know, it's like they want to go out running, jogging, mountain biking, you know. And I mean, like, I take my hat off to them, like, I really do, for, you know, wanting to actually do it. But let's be honest, right? This is like the worst time of the year, isn't it? You know what I mean? To start like a New Year's resolution like that, specifically going out, like outside, you know, like cycling, yeah, as I say, like running, whatever. It's honestly, it's the worst time of the year, isn't it? I mean, I'm used to it myself. Like, I mean, I commute to work like 5 days a week, and I mean, this is like all year round. But you know, it's like, I just feel like if you're going to start like an exercise regime like that, you're better off just doing it in summer, starting it in summer, and then by the time you get to winter, when there's like loads of snow on the ground like this, you know, it's like you'll be somewhat used to it, wouldn't you? Because I mean, like you think, right? You know, like you got a brand new bike for Christmas, or you know, you got like some running gear, like some new trainers or whatever, and it's like you got to get used to it, you know. Like that's the thing that makes me laugh. Like you got to get used to it. And I mean, I'm not trying to like mock people that go out. Like, I mean, as I say, man, like I take my hat off to you, I really do, for actually doing it. But it's just, as I say, it's just the worst time of the year, isn't it? Like when you think about it. I don't do New Year's resolutions. I just think like you're better off just try to better yourself, really. That's the way I look at it. I mean, I used to like, every year I used to be like, okay, I must make like a New Year's resolution. Oh, like I wonder what it's going to be, like, you know, like shall I start going down the gym, you know, like shall I start doing this and that. But in the end, I just gave up with it, to be honest, because I did that before, where it's like, okay, I'm going to start going down the gym. And also, I mean, you go down the gym, I mean, it's really busy for a start. It's cold, you know, like the weather's like this. And it's like, you just can't be bothered with it. That's the thing. You just really cannot be bothered with it. Again, I mean, like, you know, if you're watching from like another country, like, I mean, like Canada or somewhere like that, where you get this like most of the year. I mean, this, you know, I mean, this isn't like thick snow, like really thick snow. But I mean, for the UK, this is like we're not used to it. Just how high the selfie stick can go. So this is like full extension. I mean, I have no idea what that looks like. That's crazy. I was surprised how high it can go. I don't know if you can actually see me. I don't think you can. So I mean, like, you don't need a drone, do you? You just need a really long selfie stick. Or actually, I'll tell you what I can do. So I can just adjust that, can I? I completely forgot you could do that. So you can have it like that. Just make it look like it's a drone or something. Yeah. You could have it like following you, like, you know what I mean, like just walking along and you're like, it's just like some wide angle shots. But it's handy, like if you're like in a crowd, like a massive crowd of people, and like you're watching something, say like you get like one of these street performers. I mean, I kind of get a bit fed up with this time of year as well, to be honest, because it's just like, I mean, I've been meaning to like go to like Manchester or like Liverpool and that, like, because I was going to go Wednesday, just gone, but obviously it started snowing, and I thought, okay, I can't, I just don't really want to drive there. Do you know what I mean? So I had to put that on hold. I mean, hopefully I'm going to go this Wednesday. So this coming Wednesday, I'm going to go to Manchester, and that'll be like a proper like vlog, basically. So, but yeah, it's like I had like the title like prepared. I had like the thumbnail done and everything. And then yeah, it started snowing, and I was just like, oh, like you would, wouldn't you? You know, like I looked out the window and I saw the snow, and I thought, oh, really? I was just like, oh God, are you really gonna snow like now? Like just when I'm about to go out and like do like a full-on vlog, you know, like my first full-on vlog, basically. I mean, like the first videos were basically just me testing out like the cameras. And by the way, I mean, this is like the Action 5 Pro that I'm using. I tell you, honestly, I love this camera. It's just, I mean, like I said in my last video that I did, like it's just so handy. Like just the simplicity of it. So I'm using the selfie stick that came with it, by the way. And I'm still thinking about getting that other selfie stick, so I'm just waiting for that to be in the sale. But yeah, it's just so handy, like using it, you know what I mean? Just the simplicity of it. And I think also it's just the way that you can like swap out the batteries like really easily. Whereas, as I say, with the Pocket 3, it's like, you know, it's just a bit of a faff, isn't it? Like in that regard. So yeah, just really enjoying this camera. Like the size of it, very compact. Again, I mean, obviously I've said all this like in my previous video, you know what I mean? So if you want to check that out, I mean, that's on my channel, you know. Well, I mean, I've only got 2 videos anyway, you know, but so yeah, I promise it's like this coming Wednesday I'm going to go out, I'm going to do a vlog, don't worry, you know, it's just, but yeah, I just wanted to come out today because I thought, oh, like it's snowing, like really nice scenery and that. So yeah, just a quick video really, you know. So I'll see you in the next video this Wednesday. Thank you for watching.